had a little story to share with you.
Please go ahead.
A couple of summers ago, 3 summers ago, I visited Vermont. And there's one masjid in the whole state of Vermont. The Jummah congregation, the Friday sermon, the Friday prayer is probably about 70 people at the most. Really small community. And so I went out there to give some lectures, do some programs. I met a young man, an Albanian young man. And he was really struggling, a lot of challenges. They had literally seen their own father killed before their own eyes. Him and his 2 older brothers, and they came here and they were basically living here on their own, working like, you know, some type of a night shift, like a janitor job somewhere, just trying to get by. And unfortunately they'd fallen into a lot of bad stuff. They were drinking and partying and gambling and doing all this stuff. And the youngest brother, who was probably, you know, 18 years old, 19 years old, right out of high school, he said that one day he was searching for something. I think on YouTube he was searching for something about music, and you must have done an episode about something in regards to or related to music, and it showed up in some of the related videos, and he clicked it and started watching it. And he said he got hooked. He said he did not leave the computer for like 2 days. He just kept coming back and just watching video. He said he saw every single episode that you had ever recorded. And he said it changed his life. And I didn't even know you back then. He introduced me to the Dean Show, but he just said, "Do you know Brother Eddie? Do you know Brother Eddie?" I said, "I don't know Brother Eddie." And he showed me the show, and you know, I just wanted to let you know that there's, hopefully, inshallah, he'll watch this episode as well. But there's lots of people out there like that have really benefited. So may Allah bless you and reward you and accept this blessed effort.
Alhamdulillah. All praise to the Creator of the heavens and earth, who's given us this ability to be here. And inshallah, God willing, inshallah, God willing, that the Creator of the heavens and earth accepts this from us.
Ameen. Ameen.